So who dropped the ball then?
Oh, there you are.
I'd like to have a nice cup of hot cocoa. Would you fellas care to join me? No? What would you rather do? Go outside and play? Well, I can understand that. What do you think? Why do you keep hitting him like that? You're gonna need a timeout. Just a little sweeter, I think. All right, Pinchy, my little bucket of badness. Time to feast yourself. Ah, now that's better. Sinners and ashes, it's Diesel! Diesel, no! Oh! Yeah! Oh, hello, Twinkle Toes! I've got a plan, and you're not in it! You can't catch me, Diesel! Losing your sparkle, huh? What perfect timing! Now where is that lost engine? You won't find her here. You're not clever enough to stop me. Oh, yes I am. No, you're not. No, is that? That's right, it's sugar, Diesel. And if I throw this in your tank, it'll seize you up for good. Make the most of tonight, Twinkle Toes, because you won't like tomorrow. Neither will that line of 10 kettles. Shut up, Pinchy. Mr. Conductor, but what happened to all your sparkle? I don't know, Thomas. I'll just have to sleep on that. On your sparkle? No, Thomas. On the problem of what happened to it. Oh, but, Mr. Conductor, without your sparkle or the lost engine, you can't travel here to help us anymore. I'll solve the problem. You just go to sleep now. Easy for you to say. Sparkle, gold dust, magic, railroad, buffers, lost engine. My family told me, as long as there's a railroad, there'll be harmony. As long as there's gold dust, there'll be energy. You'll never have to worry. Yeah, sure.
You here? Why couldn't you travel anymore to the island of Sodor? Or back home here to us in Shining Time? The magic is all gone.
What's going wrong with our railroad and why? My universe is in danger. I've got to find more gold dust!